Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on Steam Guard on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on Steam Guard on your Steam account, guys, first open up your Steam app and log into your Steam account, as I've already logged into my account over here. And after logging into your Steam account on the app on the PC, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your username available for us with the drop down arrow. Click on your username at the top right corner of the screen with the drop down arrow, and this kind of menu will appear where you can see the account details option available for us, which is the second one. Click on the account details button over here, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see there it says the manage Steam Guard option available for us under the category of account security. Click on manage Steam Guard over here, and this kind of interface appear where you will be able to either turn on Steam Guard to get the code on your phone or your email. So it says here, guys, get Steam Guard codes from the Steam app on my phone, and it says the get Steam Guard codes by email. Whichever you do, it's the same thing, guys. I'll be proceeding through the email process, but in your case you can you can turn the Steam Guard on for your phone number. And you can see, guys, where it had said that you would be required to re-log into your Steam account in order to turn on your Steam Guard. So guys, this means we have been logged out and the Steam Guard has been enabled. So let's re-log in and check for that. And guys, the Steam Guard will be turned on and linked to your email address with which you have signed up for that Steam account. So that being said, let's open up our Steam account by logging in over here, and let's enter the password. Let's click on sign in, and with that being done, guys, you can see the Steam Guard has been enabled. Now I had chosen the process to get the codes on my email address of this account. You can do that on your phone number. So with that being said, I'll be opening my email address over here with which I had created the Steam account. So guys, on the email box you can see the code from Steam. So let's open it and let's paste it over here. And with that being done, guys, we have been successfully logged into our Steam account. Let's wait for it. And when this opens, guys, you can see at the top right corner, again, let's click on the username to check either the Steam Guard has been turned on or not. So you can see, guys, here it says our Steam Guard has been turned on and it is protected by the email service of Steam Guard. You can see if you have chosen your phone number, you will not be required to re-log in, but it's your phone number, it's the same thing. I feel comfortable with the email. So with that being said, guys, this is how to turn on Steam Guard on your Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.